You know, one of the questions that I get asked all the time is, should I sell my home in the winter or maybe even during the holidays? Honestly, I love this question because the answer might actually surprise you. Winter might not seem like the obvious choice, but it can actually be a fantastic time to sell. Now, let me tell you why. Hi there, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate. So first we're going to talk about buyers. Now, who do you think is shopping for a home in the winter? Well, it's people who are serious about moving. Think about it. Maybe they're relocating for work, or maybe they have a family and they want to be settled before the new year, or maybe they just want to take advantage of tax benefits before the year ends. These buyers, well, they're not just browsing, they're ready to make decisions. Makes sense, right? Okay, so now let's talk about the competition, or maybe I should say the lack of it. Now, most sellers wait until after the holidays or even until spring to sell their home. What does that mean? It means fewer homes are on the market, so putting your home on the market now gives a better chance for it to stand out. It's like your home gets to be the star of a winter show. And what home doesn't want to be the star of a winter show? Now let's be honest, winter is such a cozy season, right? So let's take advantage of that. This is your chance to make buyers feel something when they walk into your home. And with the right touches, they're gonna picture themselves living there. And well, that's what really sells a home. So let's talk about how to make that happen. First up, curb appeal. What's the first thing buyers see? Well, the outside of your home, right? So if you're in a snowy area, keep those walkways clear, shovel the snow, and make sure that there's no ice. I mean, nobody wants to turn a showing into an unplanned skating session. It might sound funny, but it's definitely not safe or welcoming. Now, if you're here in Phoenix, well, snow isn't really something that we have to worry about. So just keep things clean and maybe add a touch of charm like a wreath or some winter greenery by the door. Next up, lighting. Now, winter days are a lot shorter and natural light can be really hard to come by. So brighten things up inside. Open up all the blinds, turn on every light, and maybe add a few extra lamps with warm bulbs. A bright home feels bigger, warmer, and more inviting. Now, speaking of inviting, let's make your home feel cozy. When buyers walk in, they should feel like they want to curl up with a blanket and stay a while. So keep your home at a comfortable temperature because nobody wants to walk into a cold house. And then light the fireplace if you've got one and add soft details like pillows, rugs, and blankets. That's the kind of vibe that makes buyers fall in love. And if you love holiday decorations, go for it, but just keep it simple. A few twinkle lights, a wreath, or a tree adds festive charm without overwhelming the space. Oh, and let's not forget about the smells. A light seasonal scent like cinnamon or pine can really make your home feel even more welcoming. Now finally, the practical stuff. If your home has energy efficient windows, good insulation, or a heating system, show that off. Buyers will appreciate knowing that they're getting a home that's as practical as it is beautiful. Can you picture that kind of impression that would leave on buyers? So selling your home in winter or even during the holiday season can absolutely work in your favor with the right plan in place. So if you're ready to make it happen, have any questions or need advice, well, let's talk it through. I'm here to help you figure out what's going to be best for you and where to start. Plus, when you do what you love like I do, it shows. So give me a call because as always, my focus is you. And you'll love me, I guarantee it. See you next time. Bye.